All right, here we go. We're back again. Today we're working on this power antenna from a Corvette, 1984 to 1996. I believe it's new. It looks new. And it's a aftermarket, or not aftermarket, it's a, I don't know, yeah, I guess it is aftermarket, but it's the same as the one that comes out, I believe, because it's got these wires. And let's see, we're gonna test it right now. So to get it to go up, we're gonna put power on green and negative on gray. We're gonna go power to green. That fits in there a lot better than just holding it. And then we're gonna go negative to gray. And let's turn this power on. Now when I hit this gray one, it should go up. All right. And it did. I think this is a new one. Let's turn this off real quick. All right, to get this to go down, we're gonna put power on white now. We're gonna put power on white, and then we're gonna put the ground on the green. So the green switches between positive and negative to go up and down. That's if you have one of these correct units. They sell cheaper aftermarket ones, and those have different wires, and people hook them up wrong, and then they usually break them. All right, so now we're gonna put this ground, because there's a relay involved. All right, we're gonna put this ground on the green, power on the white, ground on the green, and it should go down. And there it is. This is what I suspected it was a brand new unit. I think so, at least. Because it came with a Corvette that just had a whole bunch of new parts. It looks brand new. I just looked this up on eBay, and they have the same one. This is the one that sells for like 200 and something. There's a cheap one, like I said, that I don't know, people don't recommend it, I guess because it gives problems and it blows out. There's a cheap one you can get for like 60 bucks or something, but this one's like a $200 one. So I don't think it was actually on the Corvette. I think it was just in the trunk, and that's why I think it's got dusty here like this. So to eBay you go. Yep, we're going through parts and stuff. So, and this one even comes with some extra stuff, I think. I don't think the other one comes with these pieces, which go on the Corvette. All right, sweet. That is number 201-90712, antenna 1002. Yep, if you look online, you'll find this probably for like 200 or plus. And this came out of 84, I think, 84 through 86. All right, so there it is. Again, if you want this antenna to go up, if it's a real Corvette antenna or an aftermarket one that has the correct wiring, that uses this green, white, and gray, it's going to be to go up, positive on green, negative to gray. That gets it to go up. To get it to go back down, positive on white, negative to green. All right, Mike, I'm out here. We'll be back with the next one. Probably be soon. We got a lot of parts we're going through. All right, peace.